Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In a survey concerning the number of students preferred options of courses in a certain school, it was found out that 40 include engineering, law and medical courses as their options. 56 in engineering and medical courses, 65 in law and medical courses, 60 in engineering and law courses, 94 in engineering course, 111 in law course. If there are 177 students in all, how many students preferred medical courses only? Now, in order to be able to solve this question, let's try to put this given information in a Venn diagram. Let this be representation of number of students who prefer engineering. Let this be representation of number of students who prefer law. And this be representation of number of students who prefer medical. So this is engineering, law and medical. Now 40 include all three courses. So this overlap here where all the three circles have overlapped is representing 40 students. 56 in engineering and medical courses. So this much portion is representing people who put engineering and medical courses in their options. So this portion is representing 56 students. Similarly, 65 in law and medical courses. So overlap of law and medical circle is representing 65 students, and overlap of engineering and law course is representing 60 students. 94 in engineering course. So 94 students are represented by entire engineering circle, and 111 in law course, and 111 is represented by entire law circle. Total number of surveyed students is 177. We have to find how many prefer medical course only. Now let's see what are the numbers here. 177 is equal to, let medical sub let medical circle represent X students. So we can say that 94 plus 111 plus X, these three when added will should give us total number of students, but since 94 is including 60 and 56, 111 is including 60 and 65, and X is including 56 and 65, what do we have? We have 60 plus 56 here, 60 plus 65 here, and 56 plus 65 in X. So these numbers are added 2 times in all of these numbers, 94, 111 and X. So in order to balance this out, we'll have to subtract 60 minus 56 minus 65 once from all these numbers. And again we have subtracted 40 completely here. Minus 40, minus 40, minus 40, because 40 was included in all of these numbers. So since we have subtracted 40 completely, we'll have to add 40 here in order to include it. Now the equation is complete. Now we can solve this equation to get number of students represented by entire circle for medical. Let's clean this up first. Yes. So let's see, 177 equal to 94 plus 111. 4 plus 1 is 5, 9 plus 1 is 10, and 205. plus x. Now minus 60 is minus 120. Minus 120 minus 50 is minus 170. Minus 170 plus minus 11 is minus 181 plus 40. So that will be 117 equal to 245 minus 181 plus x. So that is equal to, let's see, 4, 6 plus x. So we get x equal to 177 minus 64, which is equal to 113. So we get number of people represented by entire medical circle as 113. Now in order to find number of students who prefer only medical courses, we'll have to subtract these overlapped parts from this number, that is 113. So number of students who prefer medical only will be given by 113 minus 56 minus 65. But while subtracting 56 and 65 from here, we have subtracted 40 two times. But 40 has to be included. So in order to include 40, we'll have to add 40 ones, and now the equation is balanced, and now we can find number of students who prefer medical only by solving this. Let's clean it up. Yes, that is equal to 56 plus 65 is 121 plus 40. So that is equal to 153 minus 121, which is equal to, let's see, 32. So number of students who prefer medical only is 32. Let's see what are the options. Yeah. Answer is option A.